Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use the Lutron Dimmable light switches. So I'm in Chicago in a hotel. I was really confused at first how to control these lights here at the sinks, and it didn't make sense to me. This traditional switch for turning on and off the bathroom light was easy to figure out and use. But coming from Europe, these dimmable Lutron light switches were a bit difficult to use. So we can actually see now that it's in the most dimmed position. I was just tapping here and it felt like nothing is happening. But actually, if you look more closely, it is in the most dimmed position and it's on now. And I was wondering, what does this do? And I was pressing up and down, but it felt like nothing is happening, because just tapping it once, nothing actually happens. So what you need to do is hold down the button and then it goes up, and hold down to go down. So my problem was that it's in the lowest position, and at first I was not able to figure it out. But actually at some point I tried double tapping, and that goes to the brightest setting, and I was able to turn the lights then fully on and finally figure it out. But if you're having trouble with the Lutron light switches, with these dimmable switches, hope this helps in figuring it out. Thanks for watching.